YouTube? It's your girl Sunshine, and today I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so you can join my smoothie babies. Today I'll be doing a video on how to stretch my hair. Dang, did I say it right? How to stretch my hair after a twist out, because we all know that shrinkage is very disrespectful. So today we're gonna get some of this shrinkage back. All right. Now, I would not recommend doing this daily. Daily heat to your hair will cause heat damage. Okay, so I absolutely do not recommend doing this daily. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so for this video, I will be using this Matrix heat protector. I'll be using a couple of scrunchies, not really tight ones, loose ones, and my handy dandy blow dryer. Okay, to start the video off, I will be putting my hair in 4 sections. Right now, I'm showing you guys only where I will be blow drying my hair, because you do not want to blow dry all of your hair. So, I'm stretching out my hair from the roots to where I want to begin blow drying. That is also where I will be applying my heat protecting spray. Then, I start blow drying on medium heat. I will repeat this process throughout my entire head. Now, as you can see, I'm moving my blow dryer up and down along my hair. I do this so that one spot does not collect too much direct heat. Now, are we seeing the difference between this?
Now that I'm all done stretching my hair, I fluff it to my desired look. And also, during the fluffing process, I get a dime-sized amount of Taliah Waajid hair strengthener grease to put the shine and moisture back into my hair.
Okay, so I fluffed and flipped and turned and mashed and puffed. Now that I have my desired look, I am done. It was really that simple. I'll show you guys. Back. Okay, so if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become part of the Smoothie Squad. Also, if you'd like to be notified whenever I make another post, go ahead and click that post notification bell. And I will see you guys later. You can get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you so cool.